it's Anna Marie. Today I'm reviewing the Amazon Echo Show 5. Alexa,
With the Echo Show, you
set
can
a
easily
timer
set
for
alarms
5
and
minutes.
timers, check your calendar, and even ask Alexa what the weather is. And with the Amazon Alexa app, the possibilities are seemingly endless. You can link it with your favorite music service, set up smart home features, and a lot more. On the top of the speaker is the mute and power button, volume controls, and a camera switch. And on the back of the device, there's a 3.5mm output jack for headphones. I thought that was a really cool feature.
In my opinion, the Echo Show 5 works best as a smart alarm clock or a desk companion in a home office. Thanks for watching.